Hello, in this video, I will show you how to import STL, design nesting, and then how to attach connectors or sprue correctly. First, let's import our crown STL. Select our material block type and size. Software automatically brings us to Produce menu. To do nesting and change connector type, please go to Position Work menu. Now, right-click on Crown Design and select 2D menu to rotate. You can rotate by click at arrow. To move to different location, click at the blue dot in the center of block and drag. Click Validate to confirm nesting. To modify the connector type or thickness, right-click on Connector and select Modify. Set up the parameter for connector and click Full Update to view the changes. For crown, connector diameter with 3.5 mm is recommended. For veneers, inlay, onlays you can use 2 to 2.5 mm depending on design size and material. When positioning connector, please choose normal to fixture, because this function positions the connector 90 degrees according to pin holder. You can move the connector by clicking at green dot and drag. You can also change the shape of connector to rectangular, elliptic, and others, but circular is recommended. For inlay, onlays you can choose elliptic shape when there is a small surface. "3D rotation is not available for Chairman. This function is available for other milling machines. Here we have connector cut option. You can choose complete cut, partial cut, or none. Nesting for veneer designs can be little different. Let me show how to do nesting correctly. First, we rotate the veneer. Then, we check the insertion axis of a veneer. If there is an undercut, we change to angle to avoid undercuts. Let me explain by drawing. Here is our veneer design for example. Left spindle mills inside of a veneer horizontally. Spindle cannot mill the red part because of angle. Therefore, we need to change the angle of insertion axis like the shape on the right. In a software, we can achieve this by using function Modify the element. Select Modify the tilt of the element, rotate manually to get the best insertion axis angle and click Validate. As you can see, our veneer has changed. Let me show you how to save connector parameters for your next cases. Go to Tool Text menu, then open Connectors Configuration. For example, if I want to save connector parameters for crown lithium disilicate, I need to enter number 1, shape circular, diameter is 3.5 mm and validate. You can set up a specific parameters and save. When you open new STL, your connector thickness will be shown as standard. Thank you for watching.